Yo, what is good, guys? Welcome back to a brand new video to my YouTube channel. Today I want to show you something really simple that most people gatekeep in the crypto space. There are two types of people in the meme coin market: the ones trading these meme coins and the one creating them. The buyers are taking all the risk when they're trading coins, but the devs, they have no risk. They're just launching and then dumping, and they're doing that over and over again. Creating meme coins is highly gatekept because it's so profitable, and that's the truth. In this video, I'm going to show you my $1 million diving strategy on exactly how to launch meme coins over and over again. I will even do a live example in this video. And by the way, guys, I am not like all these other YouTubers on this app. I genuinely make all my money from specifically deving borrow coins, and for this reason I am making this video. I will show you how it's done right now. Now let me break down to you exactly why trading meme coins is rigged and why in the long term you will eventually lose money. Because when you trade meme coins, bro, you are always buying a coin and you never know if the coin is going to go up or down. And the truth is that most coins in this space are eventually going to get rugged, because that's the name of the game. These coins, they pump, they dump, they pump, they dump over and over again, okay? And the truth is that the devs are making way more money because they're the ones making money from the dumps. They're the ones selling the supply and making money on all the traders. So if you are a trader, bro, you are basically giving your money away to the devs of these coins. And that's exactly why I completely transitioned to creating my own coins, because now I am the one, okay, I am the guy behind these coins, creating borrow coins, launching them, and then profiting from all the buyers. And I launch a couple coins every single day, and let me just say this, I make thousands of dollars every single day from creating coins without risking anything, okay? Creating coins costs nothing compared to trading, and that's exactly what makes it so profitable. So in this video I will do a live launch showing you exactly A to Z how to make a coin. And by the way, bro, I am making this video purely for educational purposes only, cap, so please do not copy me, bro. I am not a financial advisor. It's all for educational purposes only, cap. Now look, if you want to maximize the profits on every single meme coin, you have to be launching on a different platform than Pump.Fun. Pump.Fun in 2026 is oversaturated. Some coins go viral, but most of these coins, they go nowhere. They pump and then they dump, or they get no buyers at all. That's it, that's all. They just dry out. That's because it's over competitive and oversaturated, like I said. And on top of that, bro, Pump.Fun takes a cut from your creator fees and they hold your coins. So you don't own the entire supply, but just a piece of it. So for those reasons, I'm out. I do not launch on Pump.Fun. Instead, bro, you might know this already, but I launch my coins on Radium. Now for the ones who know what Radium is, bro, it's the migrate section. Once a coin on Pump.Fun reaches a $35,000 market cap, it levels up directly to Radium and it reaches thousands of people. And the Radium DEX is so profitable because of all the volume, all the attention, and all the buyers coming in on every single coin. And yeah, that's why I launch here. But I do not use Pump.Fun to make my coins to Radium. Instead, there's a shortcut. I use Memecoin.io. It's the best launchpad, and you know, it's the best for Radium because every single coin that you make here will go to Radium and it will get a bunch of attention, and that's exactly how we're going to profit from our meme coins, okay? That's why people are gatekeeping this launchpad. Now look, here's exactly how to create and launch a meme coin on Memecoin.io. You could either create a whole new custom coin from scratch, whether you have a viral narrative in mind, a community, or a project, you can make it here, or you can connect your Phantom wallet and use their completely free X tracker. There's like hundreds of tweets coming out every single day, and if you find that perfect narrative, you could dev that instantly and be the first one on that narrative before everyone else, right? This is a good option, but my personal favorite money making method is actually the copy trending coin sub right here. I've made around 80% of my entire portfolio from vamping viral coins. Every single coin here has a viral narrative and is going viral on Pump.Fun with a bunch of buyers. So instead of creating a whole new coin from scratch, we will be using a narrative that is already working, copying that coin and launching it to Rhythm instead to get a bunch of buyers. This is exactly what we will be doing. But now it's time for the part of the video that everyone was waiting for, and that is actually making money from deving and seeing how it plays out live right now. I will be doing a live dev right now, bro. I am completely transparent. I am not like all these other YouTubers who just show you the method but they don't do shit. But yeah, so first of all, connect your Phantom wallet, right? And then now look for a coin to copy. Just choose one and copy it. So I'm gonna just copy the CapCat coin. Click on copy the Radium, your Phantom will show up. Ignore the block, click on proceed, confirm, I understand, and then click on the confirm button and it should be created soon. I just chose a coin randomly, okay? And then boom. Now if you go on soul scan, if you want to, you don't have to, bro, it's useless. You guys can see that the cap coin is live and it's minted, so it's actually on chain. Now it's time to create the liquidity pool. Now this page right here is obviously where we will be creating the liquidity pool for your token. Every single token on chain has a liquidity pool behind them, and here, since we are creating a whole new coin from scratch, well, we copied one, but you know, we have to create the liquidity pool. It's mandatory. Now for the amount of coins, click on 90% right here, click that preset button, 90%. Right under for the amount of soul, put anything you want in between 0.3 to 1 Solana. I'm going to put 0.3. This is just going to make sure that you have supply in your coin as a dev, like that you can profit while your coin gains more value. And then click on create pool, and then once again, bro, you are not going to lose this 0.3. If you want it back at any moment, you can. Okay, ignore the block, click on proceed, confirm, I understand, confirm. After that, bro, click on refresh and then scroll down, and the Radium pool is live. It should be live, right? People are now able to buy your meme coin. Now look, your PNL is going to be right there. If you want to see how much you're up on your meme coin, click on refresh. And for example, here we're up $200. That is insane within 20 seconds of the launch. Now, go on your preferred trading platform. I personally just use Photon. I'm kinda late, right? But I don't care. It does not matter. I do not trade meme coins, and the coin is live. Okay? More and more people are going to start seeing the coin and then buying and selling the coin, so it should be volatile right now. Bang, it's going up. This is exactly what I mean, guys. So many people are buying in, it's pumping. This is exactly what we love from deving coins, guys. Look at this, we're already up like 800 bucks if I had to guess out of my head. Bro, this is insane. Retracements are normal, just let the coin run, bro. And yeah, bro, it's actually insane. It costed me nothing, I am risking nothing, and we're up a lot. I'm gonna let this coin run for a bit. When I come back, I'll show you how to cash out your dev position. Alright guys, I am back, okay, after like 10-12 minutes maybe, and we're up a decent amount. Okay, we're up, that is all what it matters. Now come back to memecreate.io and then click on the refresh button to see how much you're up now, okay? And as you guys can see, damn, we're up 2.35k on our meme coin. Guys, that's insane. Oh, it's going down. Okay, click on the minus button, do 100%, remove liquidity. Your Phantom is going to show up right here. Just wait. Ignore the block, click on proceed, confirm, I understand, confirm. And bang, bro, I just showed you exactly how to dev a meme coin from start to finish. And yeah, guys, if I open my Phantom wallet, bang, 2.35k straight inside my Phantom wallet, all from deving coins. It's legit. And yeah, guys, now it's up to you to take action. Start deving, start creating those coins, be consistent, okay? Volume over quality. Launch multiple coins a day, okay? Stay consistent, and you know, that port might grow a lot. Memecreate.io will be linked down below or in the description, bro. And yeah, this is not financial advice. And if you want to win 5 Solana like this lucky winner right here, just like and subscribe and comment and join my free Telegram group down below, and you will be entered for the next giveaway.